Living. Is it working? Hey, Murat. Check, oh, never mind. When you're done, I don't know if it's live or not.
Check?
Yeah. Just when if you, yeah, check your, for sure. So if I am live, I hope I am. If I'm live, guys, I am actually testing a new piece of gear. It just, I need to have maybe a second device to see the, hold on here. Why is the focus not working? Come on, you prick. Oh, I'm going to have to change face detection. But we'll see, yeah, if I am live. This is that Axoon M1. I can use my, any of my cameras.
I'm the number one who gave you the thumbs up.
So I am live. I am live? Oh, that's sick. So I just can't see I need to have like a second phone to read the chat or something. That's all. So that's because it's not coming up on the phone, right? That's cool. You can hear me loud and clear and everything, eh? Nice, buddy. It works. It works, man. So, okay. I can't see your comments, though, okay? I'm going to have to figure out, I wonder if I can open up YouTube. I'm going to try to open up YouTube at the same time.
A little bit behind.
Yeah, there's definitely a delay, right? Well, let's see. Actually, it's fine for now. But the autofocus, what is up with that? Let me go to my focus. That's awesome. There, that's why. Set. Oh, there we go. So face detection is on. There we go. Yeah. Can you, hopefully you don't see this. How do I close that? Okay. Oh, I see what that is. Okay. Okay, so there, back to normal. Excellent. So face detection, yeah, sort of. That's not too bad. It is tracking my face, but the autofocus isn't very good. I got the Sigma 18 or the Sigma 16 millimeter f1.4 lens. But anyway, so I could be far away and you guys should be able to hear me, no problem. I got my wireless mic. This is the Saramonic Blink 300 Pro. Just let me make sure. I'm going to turn this music down a little bit here for a second. But yeah, so here we are back at Junun, finally. The plumber delayed this job quite a bit, so I think it was almost 7 weeks ago when I invoiced for the framing, and we're just getting back today. Materials were loaded yesterday afternoon, so this morning I come in and I'm just insulating this demising wall. Murat's finishing the drywall on the other side around the door. He's got the backing in the doors. So what I'm going to do is jump up here, finish the itch, and I got my layout already for this wall and this wall. Okay, basically when you're drywalling your walls, you always want to stagger where you land your joints from either side. Plus, I wonder if I can switch. You know what? Next stream I'm going to do it with the raw codec on the next stream because I got this as like more of like a camera type thing, but like I was saying, this autofocus isn't really working. Unless I have to set it, I have to check the settings. But cool. So there we go, live on site with the. I could bring in my Blackmagic cameras and do the same thing. So I just testing today with my Lumix. The Blackmagic, though, as you know, doesn't have any autofocus. So I need to have an operator to pull focus. But anyways, that's that, man. So like I was saying, we want to stagger our joints from either side of the wall. I've already checked my layouts. What I mean by that is you want to check to make sure your sheets are going to hook your doors. You're not going to end up with like some silly pieces on the end or whatever. Okay, you generally want to start your sheets inside the wall. Okay, and off of any wall that you haven't built. So, for example, we come in and the demising walls are done, right? And the exterior walls are done. Well, we're not going to trust that they're level, so we're not going to start our sheets off of them. We're going to come inside the wall somewhere and set up our line laser and then board into those walls, okay? Now, if you're drywalling sheets up against like a wall that you built and you know it's level and it's 48 off of the wall, and that's perfectly fine. Okay, that's for speed, right? But yeah, so that's that, dudes. This is exciting. I'll probably go live again later from, we're gonna go and do the finish sanding over at the little, the Subway, sorry, in Devon there. So I'll do it again. I'll go live and show you guys that for when we're out there, and I'll test the network, you know, make sure it works. This is crazy, dude. Like, how crazy is that, right? But I have a gimbal as everything, right? So if Max ever comes back, right, he can hold the camera, right? Fuck, I hope he comes back. But yeah, so that's kind of the idea, right? But yeah, it'd be good. Good to get gimbals and stabilization and everything, right? Put it on my head, yeah, right? Get the GoPro and put this whole thing on my head, right? So yeah, I guess what I could do though is walk around a little bit and give you guys a show. I wish please forgive me for not being able to see any comments, but we'll work on that.
You know what? Get that vacuum. It's called iRobot.
Yeah. But yeah, here's Junoon. Remember, if you remember, guys, those are the bulkheads. Look at how dark that is. Oh, right. So yeah, if you remember the bulkheads in here, those are the bulkheads, right? These are for the bar here. But yeah, I'm gonna work on getting out here done so they can start with finishes if they have to, and then we'll work on the back, the kitchen. So the hoods are up. Lots of gear up there. We're gonna do this back wall here. There's these panels we're gonna put on, these fire rated stainless steel panels. Has anyone done these before? If anyone in the chat's done these kind of before, yeah, let me know how you guys, like I figured I'll cut it with just an abrasive like circ saw blade, right? Something that will cut metal anyways, obviously, right? But yeah, we got to cut the bottoms of these, but they're so weird. They're so flimsy, these panels, man. They're really flimsy. Usually we would just laminate the steel right to the wall, but that back wall isn't fire rated. So yeah, you can see there. So how's that for audio video quality, at least, though? I know I can't see the chat right now, but I'll be watching the replay. So let me know what you think of the audio and video quality with this new device. Plus, I'm using a preset like color grading on this Lumix camera as well, so it's not the greatest. But yeah, you can see where we're headed. This is the hanging bulkhead. So this we're gonna drywall and tape, and it's gonna hang. We're gonna use aircraft cable to hang it from the well, obviously from the deck, but it's going to go underneath this bunch of this stuff, this ducting here, whatever that is. Okay, so it's going to hang underneath that, and then the chandelier, the main chandelier, will attach to it. So we're going to put some plywood in there, of course, but that'll be interesting. And then this is the back office, plywood on top, drywall ceiling type thing. The T-bar will come in here. So the T-bar, see the little janitor wall here, it'll finish into there. So it kind of comes out here and across that way. So T-bar in there. These are the panels, guys. They're vinyl type drywall panels. Those will be the tiles we're using for the ceiling. So they're vinyl faced, pretty different anyway. So. But yeah, dudes, look at the copper in this place. We don't see copper too often anymore, and there's quite a bit of copper in this place. But yeah, we can throw a pizza party, eh? Let's take it out. But yeah, you see it. Yeah. And then the water tank. The water tank is going to go above here and hook up there. So we're going to use wood studs inside the metal wall to build a platform for the water tank to sit on. So that'll be that, dudes. So kind of glad to get back in here. We were delayed, man, huge. Yeah, it was a huge delay on the plumbing part, but that's okay. It's done now. See, I'm trying to find the focal length for the autofocus, but so I think that's the problem. Is the contrast isn't set right. But that's the tour anyway. That's where we're at here at Junun, guys. And that's the update, the tour. I will, like I said, I'll go live again from Devon, and after we're finished sanding there and doing our final touch-ups, primer, painter's coming tomorrow to prime it out. So, and then yeah, we're gonna work tomorrow, I think's the plan, and take Sunday off. So. That's another thing I need to get I can stream from home. I didn't stream the other night with Warner because we actually took Warner to the Christmas concert. We all went, so it was great. Yeah, Murat went with his family. We all went to watch the girls do their Christmas concert. It was great. Warner was a little much near the end, but we survived. And yeah, Amelia had hers last night, so all good, guys. So if you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. I'll check the replay out later, so I'll see everybody's comments and stuff. And I'll try to also next time too. I'll have YouTube open ahead of time, and I'll see if I can play it on the screen here and read the comments, or at least have the chat popped out or something like that. I'll figure it out. But first test works. We're laughing, guys. I set the title and the thumbnail this morning, so I'm hoping it connected to that stream that I set up this morning. So we'll see. But yeah, bye for now, everyone. Hope you have a good day. Be safe out there. Talk to you soon. And then I could probably do some color grading right on. This is great.